We will learn about equation and inequation. You have already learned algebraic expression, that is, let's as an example 5x square plus 6y plus 3 or 2y minus 7 plus t. Anything that are written by plus or minus sign, that are called expression. Now we will learn about equation. Equation means you have to give an equal sign between two expression. As it is 20 and before that we have given an expression 14x minus 5. The same way 3y plus 7 equals to 51. We have to put equals to between two expression, that is called equation. And inequation means in the place of equation we will write either greater than or less than or greater equal or less equal. Now we will do some problems on equation. Question number 1 is m equals to minus 10 the root of equation? Root of equation means we will get the value of m is 10. So the right side of the equation is called right hand side and the left side of the equation is called left hand side. So we will write LHS as left hand side and RHS as right hand side. For left hand side, first we will write 3m minus 7 by 8m plus 1. We will see if the value of m equals to minus 10 if satisfying this equation. So how would you do? We will put minus 10 as in the place of in the place of m. So for m we will write minus 10. Now minus 7 and 8 into minus 10 plus 1. So 3 into minus 10 is minus 30 minus 7 and 8 into minus 10 is minus 80 plus 1. So now minus 30 minus 7 minus minus it will become plus 37 and the sign will be minus. Now minus 80 plus 1, in minus minus the sign will be minus plus the sign will be minus as the greater number is in minus and we will subtract it. 80 minus 1 is 79. Minus minus will be cancelled out. We will get 37 by 79. Now RHS. RHS is 4 minus m. So what we have to do? 4 minus and there is minus 10. So put minus 10 here. Minus minus will become plus 4 plus 10, that is 14. Now 37 by 79 can't be equal to 14. So we can write LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore m equals to minus 10 is not the root of the equation 3m minus 7 by 8m plus 1 equals to 4 minus m. They are not equal, so the root is not. It is not the root. Now we will learn how to solve equation. See, the first equation is 2a minus 3 equals to 5. For this equation, what you have to do is 2a equals to 5. This minus 3, we will put the term in one side and the number in another side. Here 3 is a number, so we will keep it in right hand side. The minus sign will become plus. The sign will be reciprocate when we will bring it another side. 5 plus 3 became 8. A equals to 8 by 2. That's why you can get A equals to 4. In the same way, we will do another one. X by 1.6 plus 2.8. So, this 2.8 will go this side. So, we will write x by 1.6. 8.8 and 2.8 will be minus here. So, what we get is x by 1.6 will become 6.0. Now, see, it is divided here. So, here we will multiply when we will take it to the right hand side. For the same reason, here 2 was multiplied and we divide it with 2. So, x equals to, we will get 9.6 after multiplying. Now the next question is 3m plus 2 by 4 equals to 8. So to solve this one, what we have to do is, first we will multiply, cross multiply. That means the numerator of this and the denominator will be multiplied. Also the same thing will happen here, numerator and denominator will get multiplied. Whatever number you will multiply it with 1, you will get the same number, and 8 4s are 32. Now 2 is plus, here we have plus sign with 2. So we will write minus sign with 2 when we will take it to the opposite side. 32 minus 2 is 30. M equals to 30 by 3. That is M equals to 10 as your answer. And now what we will do is, we will do another question. Now just see the question. It is 5 minus, now we will multiply it. 2 into k, 2k, and 2 into 6 will become 12. Minus plus, that's why 12 will become minus here. Now 5 minus 2k, this 12 will go that side and you will get minus 1. 5 minus 2k equals to minus 1. Minus 2k will be minus 1 minus 5. Minus 2k will be equals to minus 6. From that you get k equals to minus 6 by minus 2. Minus minus will be cancelled out and you will get your value k equals to 3. And this is how you have to solve equations.